What's up, YouTube? Today's the 26th of February 2009. It's 9:26 a.m. close to market open. Watch list is done. We're gonna get a gap down, and what I noticed is on this software, the spiders chart is kind of buggy. It doesn't show the previous days. Not exactly sure why. So what I'm going to use from now on is DIA for my market direction. Maybe for the first 30 minutes, and then I think it starts showing up the previous day. Alright, market's opening up here. I think I'm going to try something new. Alright, just went short on this stock ESRX. Alright, just covering there. Took a profit of $139. And the way I play this is once the market opens, if it's a security that's gapping higher, you go short. You put a stop at about well, whatever you're willing to lose, maybe about 10 or 20 cents. And I'm also going to try something different, to show some more patience and wait for some patterns to develop. What I'm looking for mostly now in the morning is some sort of U-shaped patterns. These guys at Today Trader, they call it the horseshoe pattern. It's a cup and handle pattern, U-shaped pattern, whatever you want to call it. It's all doing the same thing, and it looks something like this here. And as you can see, once it broke through, it just starts taking off. And well, this is one of my picks for the morning, and it's actually starting to take off. Kind of glad to see that. It's one of the stocks on my longs list, stocks I pick that I believe will go long. Anyway, not in it, just gonna watch a little bit unless I see something interesting. Kind of liking this FLR here for short. You know what, just went short there. It's got a mean spread. I think it has a chance to go through this support at pre-market. And I might be wrong here, but we'll see. Alright, just dropped out there. Covered that at about 68. So up 427 for the morning. Drop nice too. This is First American. Seems to be just going up here nicely, so got in. Might get wicked here. I might not. Seems to just be going up here nice, so took a long, looks like an easy play. So I'm in at 24.17 and be back to update. I just added to my position, so buy another 1,000. Got an average price now of 24.11. Alright, here it goes. At 21 on the bid. Just need to see the market continue its strength here. Alright, there we go. So I got filled somewhere in the 30s. Now I'm up 9:25 for the morning, and on to the next one. Alright, starting to like this. I like this pattern here on Microsoft. Just tried it long. I'm in at 1679. I'll stop myself out at 70. Even Microsoft had news. Let's see here. It says here Microsoft is suing TomTom, alleging its GPS violates 8 patents, including TomTom's implementation of the Linux kernel. And it's kind of good news for Microsoft because they could sue a lot more companies, but like they say here, Microsoft says it won't speculate whether more Linux suits are to come. Well, if more suits come, that might be more money for Microsoft, and I guess that's good for the company. But gives them, well, business is business. I guess you could say that. I'm getting close to my threshold, the stop out area. Alright, didn't hit it. Alright, just stopped myself out, so I think I pretty much sold at 1670. So just lost about $90, so now I'm up 8:35 for the morning. Gonna long it on my buddy here, First Solar. Just gonna buy 500. And market's making a nice move up, so I'm gonna try to take some quick profits here. So I'm in at 103.56. I'm in the green right now. I'll be back to update this. Might take a little bit. I just made a nice move there to the upside and took my profits. Nice profits there. So I'm up 1186 for the morning. Just something here. This is ESRX, and look how it just dropped. It just dropped today. So actually on the daily chart, you could see here it's just hit a support area. So gonna long it here. Let's see if we get the bounce. I think we're gonna get a bounce. I'll be back to update this one. Looks like it's stalling a little bit here. My risk reward is pretty big on this, and unfortunately this time I don't have any patience, and I'm not waiting for any candles to confirm. And it looks like I was completely wrong here, and gonna average down a little bit. Maybe I can only buy 800. I said just buying 800 there. My average is 53.88. Still kind of horrible, but now the profit is quicker. If like, let's say if we get back to 54, which is quite possible. That's actually the now the resistance, but it's actually the support area. Well, it's still a support area, but the shadow of the candle broke through. I think it is still a support. So I'll be back to update this. This might take a while. This is, I guess you could call it a dumbass trade for the day. So I'll be back to update it. Alright, back in the profits here. Looking to close half out at 54. You know what? I'm gonna take more than half. I'm gonna sell 1,300. All right. So just sold 1,300. So I'm up 1678 for the morning.